So what you can also do is you can collaborate on web surfing by using something called Workspaces. So to do that, you need to go around onto the top left hand corner where you see Workspaces over here, and here you can see some workspaces just like this. So now I got 3 workspaces as you can see, so I can go around and create a new workspace if I want to start fresh. So I'm just going to go around and say tutor to collab right here as the workspace name, and you can choose a color for the workspace and click on done, and then it opens out the workspace as you can see right here. If I were to go around over here, then you see the other workspaces and you can go around and delete or edit out those workspaces as well. Let's say for example, I'm going to go around and delete out the other workspace right here, or if I want to add more, then I can add more workspaces right here. But what I want to do is I want to invite out other people that I want to collab the browsing with. So to do that, I can go around and onto invite right here, and it opens up the place where I can go around and type in email address as you can see right here. Or you can copy out the link and share it with them directly as well. So let me just go around over here and select the TutorTube2 account right here and send an invite email right here. So once I do that, what happens is that an invitation email will be sent. So they will be able to go around and access that particular tab by using the invite link. Or you can go around and copy out the link right here so that they can go around and paste this particular link, and they will be able to access Workspace as well. And that is how you can create Workspace and invite people to Workspace inside of Microsoft Edge. In the next video, we're going to see how we can collaborate in Workspaces in Microsoft Edge. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.